In topic 1 homework, we do quite a bit of graphing. One of those questions just happens to be graphing a line given its equation in slope-intercept form. Okay, the slope-intercept form is y equals mx plus b, where m is the slope and b is the y-intercept. What I've done here is I'm giving you an Excel sheet where you type in the slope, 1.5, and the base, the intercept b. That could be anything that you have from your questions, right? It doesn't matter what it is. Watch what happens, okay? If I type in a 2 here, you can see my graph automatically changes. You can see my y-intercept right here is 2, right? Right there, it's 2. You can see I have a slope of 2, right? All the way across. I can go over here and I can choose values right here, choose values of x. If I choose 2, 4, you can see the different points there, and you can see that my graph goes over 2, up 2, right? I'm sorry, over 2, up, over 2, up, right? Up 4, over 2, up 4. That's a slope of 2. All right, so how do I get all of this? Well, look right here. I typed in the formula. The formula is, what is it, everybody? The slope, C6 times C13 plus the y-intercept b. That's the formula. Remember, everybody, this is just like topic 1 DQ2. Okay, it's exactly the same thing. Only this case, I didn't have you solve for the slope and the y-intercept. In this case, I'm simply saying they come from your homework. Type them right in. Try something else, okay? -5. All right, and there you go. My graph changes automatically to the slope of -5, and there you can see, you can easily graph this from there and Alex. All right, next. Suppose the question says graph a line given its slope and y-intercept. So I'm given the slope m, I'm given the y-intercept b, okay? And I want to choose values of x, and notice my formula right here, everybody. Notice, check this out. M, which is D3 times X, right? Which is C7 plus B by y-intercept. And there it is. I hit enter. Everything down through here, you can see the slope. I copied it, right? Once again, everybody, this is exactly like topic 1 DQ2. I'm just giving you an option where you can do it quickly and easily for any graphing question like this, okay? Check this out, for example. If I type in slope of 2 or 5 or whatever it is, right? There it is. There, right away, there's my slope. My graph changes, everything changes to match it, and I'm done. If you have any questions about what slope and intercept are, here's a pretty good discussion below. All right, next. Here says, another question from homework 1, graphing a line given its equation in standard form. Remember, the standard form is ax plus by equals c. All right, so here I tell you, enter a from your graph, whatever it is, from your equation, enter b and enter c. That's all you got to do. All right, now you choose the values of x in this column, and then look down here. What does it say? Right here in the middle of the screen. Given the line ax plus by equals c, solve for y. How do I do that? I subtract ax from both sides, and I get by equals -ax plus c. I divide by b, and I get y equals -a over bx plus c over b. Watch, everybody. This first ratio, -a over b, what is that? That's my slope. How do I know? It's the coefficient of x. The next ratio, c over b, is what? It's my y-intercept. All right, so I go up here in my formula and watch, everybody, check this out. Check it out. Negative. Why is it negative? Because down here, my equation is -a over b. So right here, I have negative c8 divided by d8. That's a over b times c11. That's the x value that I chose. Plus E8, what is E8? E8 is C divided by D8, and dollar signs to keep them locked in place, right? And that's the same formula all the way down through here. You can see all the way down through there, exactly the same formula. just C14 is changing. So if you have a question like this, all you gotta do is come in here and plug in A, B, and C, and it's graphed immediately, okay? Check it out, check it out. -2, A is -2. There's my graph. It goes now to positive, right? All right, if B is -8, all right, there's my graph. All right, let's suppose C is negative as well, all right? -3, all right? There's my graph. And you guys can see right away now that I can graph any equation of this form just by simply entering A, B, and C. I don't have to solve it for Y. I did that for you guys down here. I put that formula in and we're good to go. All right, next one. Sometimes people get a line that says graphing a vertical or horizontal line. Okay, I've graphed a vertical line for you. Everybody, here's a couple things to remember. X equals A, where A is a real number. That means what? X is always A. It doesn't ever change, right? So you can see in my X column right here, I entered all the same numbers by doing what? Going up here, right here in cell D7 and just simply entering 8, all right? 8, whatever, it doesn't matter, right? I entered 8. The Y column is showing me what? It's showing me that Y can be anything. X is always 8, Y can be anything. And here's what I'm going to have, a graph that's a vertical line. All right, so guys, you can use all of these. If you have a vertical line, all you got to do is enter whatever X is equal to. -5, 8, it doesn't matter, right? Just simply enter it. If it's in the standard form, enter A, B, and C, and you'll see your graph immediately. If you're given the slope and the y-intercept, all you got to do is enter the slope and the y-intercept. That's it. Simply enter them. All right. Enter them in here. The formulas here are using those values. They will correct it for you. Okay. They'll calculate it for you. All right. For example, 1/2. All right. There it is. Everything changes. It graphs automatically. This, guys, is a quick way to learn graphing, understand it, and to answer your homework questions. You don't have to miss any more graphing questions ever. All right, guys, take care. I'll see you around. Have some fun. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and get all the latest and greatest. Bye.